Racing just started. We have Cristina. Break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside. Brazilian Babe. In the middle portion comes Reyes Gold. Forever Young is Star of Manel. Shut up. Manila Magic comes next. Then followed by Real Excellent. While Admiral Contender is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Cristina by about 3 lengths. Brazilian Babies right behind in second is Star of Manel now racing in third, then followed over by Reyes Gold. Forever Young now moving up to take fifth. Shut up Manila Magic, then comes Real Excellent, while Admiral Contender is still racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Cristina by about 3 lengths. Coming closer in second is Brazilian Babe. Star of Manel is still in third, moving up on the outside Reyes Gold, then comes Forever Young. Shut up Manila Magic, Real Excellent, while entry number 7 Admiral Contender is still racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Cristina still in control by about 2 lengths. Brazilian Baby in second. Reyes Gold is on the outside. We have about 150 meters more to run. We have Cristina now saying, come, catch me if you can, by about 3 lengths. And finally, the program opener, Cristina, Brazilian Babe, Reyes Gold, then comes Forever Young, Manila Magic,